Well, something good arrived today in the mail. Let me open it up. Okay. Had to use the scissors because I can't hold the phone while cutting the box. And let's see here. Oops, looks like I got more tape. Hang on. This phone, and I shit my pants. And from the 8-bit shop. Wow, look at that beautiful thing right there. It is the W.O.P.R. And the W.O.P.R. And here she is. Let's get the light off on the thing. Here. It must have came undone. Okay. Make this thing light up as I'm pressing keys and doing other crazy stuff. Let's see here, what will it do when I bring up my Jiffy DOS menu? Okay, let's see if we can pull a directory here. Get Archon to load up. Here's what I'm loading up right now. See what happens when I press reset. The reset light comes on. Releasing reset. I have to probably reset the entire machine. Yeah, I don't have a master reset on this thing here, so. Now this should be loading up a bit faster, but I only have one of 2 Jiffy ROM chips that are installed in this thing. I believe this other one here has both chips installed on it, so I'll give that a try later on. But it's really nice having an original copy of Archon so I can do tests on a game that's fully protected. Especially with the electronics arts copyright or copy protection system on the thing. which is a bit of a difficult thing to get around back in the day, but we still did it. Thanks to fast hacking and a little bit of teenage ambition. I don't have any keyboards, any joysticks connected to this at the moment. There we go, turn on the brightness a little bit. And there you go. And that's the Whopper for you. Thank you for watching. Come back again. Like, subscribe, and be prepared for some more good stuff coming your way. Thanks for watching.